Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have a Diamond Art Club sneak peek. This is a Sparkle Pals Little Diamonds Lilo. Look how cute she is. Oh my gosh. So there's 3 of the Lilo and Stitch characters releasing tomorrow, Wednesday, April 2nd. So this is Lilo and there's Angel and Stitch. They're so cute. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open this up. As soon as I find the opening here. Here it is. So this is super exciting. The movie is coming out. I love Lilo and Stitch. They are, I don't know, it's always so funny. I relate a lot to Stitch. We're both crazy. So I took the plastic off here. We have our front Little Diamonds, Diamond Art Club. And of course these are the beginner friendly kits. As you can see, it's a full drill here, pretty much, but they're all like in different little patterns, and then they go on a stand here. So I guess it's technically a partial drill because the feet aren't, you know what I mean. It is a 14.5 centimeter by 9.3 centimeter. This is Lilo. On the back we have how it works. Everything you need is included. All right, we're gonna go ahead and open this up here. Okay. So on the inside you can see all 3 that you can collect. So we have Angel, Stitch, and Lilo. How it works instructions here. Let's see, it has what it includes. You get your Sparkle Pal, the baseboard, superior quality diamonds, twist and pick applicator, stackable tray with lid, 15 resealable bags. Check that out. All right, let's get into it. Okay, how many other people here are Lilo and Stitch fans? Come on. Alright, so here is what is in the plastic. Let's go ahead and open the thank you card here. So these do not have the sticker count because you just go based on what's on the bag. But you still have your kit contents, your QR codes that we're used to on the little welcome thing. Let's get into the toolkit. Here is our twisty pen, our drill tray, that's the bag it came in. All right, here's the resealable baggies you can use to store your extra drills or as you're working on it. We have the reloadable putty / wax stuff that goes in here if you run out. And what is in here? This is our tray. Oh, so if you don't like the clear putty, you can still use your heart wax. With a different pen. You have a 7-placer. I'm not really sure you can multi-place on this, but to each their own. And here is our twisty pin. Of course, on this is their upgraded version with the brass tip. You just slowly twist and it starts coming out. I'm not gonna do too much of it because I just don't want to. So there's that. All right, and of course the lid goes right back on here. This is their, there we go. This is their small tray, and they do stack on top of each other. You can see the little grooves here. They do have a larger version of the tray as well if you purchase a larger diamond painting. So we have Lilo perfectly protected here in our bubble wrap. There we go. Let's take her out. Oh, she's so cute. Look at this. I love it. And you know what? Oh, it's branded too. Good. So it is like shiny. You can feel that. And you know what? It's not like those like cheap coasters you can get off, AliExpress or Amazon. It's like actual like hard wood. And then of course this peels off. You could expose a little bit at a time. The plastic is cut out in the shape of the wood, which I do really like. Like I said, some of those other companies just have a big, rectangle that just gets caught everywhere. So yeah, you can just, I like that it's in the shape because you could literally just peel some up, do it halfway and then peel that part up. Awesome. All right, and once you're done, it can go right in this stand here. Easy peasy, and then you can display it once you're done. Wonderful. All right, so now let's take a look at our drills that it comes with. These are cute. Oh, we have some ABs. So you just match these up. You have all, it looks like 1 through 6. And if you look at the wooden piece here, you just kind of line those up, match the colors with the bag. Easy peasy. All right, so we have a dark red here for her dress. 3, 2, and 1. And it looks like we have a really pretty white AB. Look at that. They're so cute. All right, so if you are a Lilo and Stitch fan, grab yours tomorrow. On Wednesday, you can grab all 3 before they sell out. And yeah, that's it for now. Make sure you check the description. If you haven't purchased from Diamond Art Club before, you can use my affiliate link down below. You get a discount and I get a small kickback, so check that out. If you're new here, subscribe and hit the thumbs up on your way out. So until next time, everyone, bye-bye.